In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A05s, and today I would like to show you how you can edit passwords saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Google. Then click on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Now just click on one of your passwords that you wish to edit and enter your current login method. Finally, hit the edit button next to the delete one and change wherever you want to. When you finished, hit save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!